Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sharon.
And I'm Ivy. Today we have got something really interesting for you, but we'll keep it super short.
Exactly. Now, we have been following us for quite some time, and you might remember we've spoken about augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. If you really haven't seen those videos yet, you really need to check them out for a deep dive into immersive tech.
But today we are opening the umbrella on a term you have probably heard a lot about, XR or extended reality.
Right. You probably have seen a lot of tech companies buzzing about extended reality, its booming market, and all the cool solutions they're rolling out.
So, what's XR? Well, it's simply a big tent term that covers all immersive technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality.
Think of it like colors. Colors is a broad category, and under this you've got a blue, a red, and a green color.
Since we have already talked about AR, VR, and MR in our past videos, let's do a quick recap for clarity. AR adds digital layer to your real world, like filters on your selfies.
VR, on the other hand, takes you to a completely new world. It's like being inside a video game.
And MR is a bit of both, letting digital and real stuff interact, like having a holographic chessboard on your coffee table.
But XR's potential stretches far beyond. It's currently revolutionizing training for pilots with simulations so real they can practically feel the G-force.
Surgeons are now performing complex procedures with precision with the help of digital overlays, guiding their every move. And in education, imagine a history class where you can walk through the streets of Rome, and science classes where you can explore the human body from inside.
And that's not all, actually. Retail is now getting a facelift with virtual try-ons, and remote work now means collaborating in virtual spaces that feel as real as any office.
And here is the kicker. According to the reports by Fortune Business Insights, the XR market, already booming, is now expected to explode over $1.7 trillion by 2032. We're not just talking about changing how we play or watch. We're talking about transforming how we live, learn, and connect.
And we're just getting started. Our upcoming 101 series will dive deep into these XR applications, exploring how they're changing our world.
If this excites you as much as it does us, there is a place you should be, our Discord community. It's where the magic of immersive media comes alive, a gathering spot for everyone passionate about exploring the XR's possibilities.
So hit the subscribe button to stay on top of our deep dives into XR use cases and the latest in immersive tech. You don't want to miss a thing.
Thank you for joining us today.
Bye-bye.